Nike's Holiday 2025 lineup gets a magical addition with the Dunk Low Wizard, a $135 release expected between October and December. Highlighting the seasonal collection, this sneaker embraces a mystical theme carried through its custom details. Black leather forms the base, overlaid with grand purple, while a marbled TPU swoosh in Artisan Teal evokes glowing orbs. The icy blue gum outsole and black midsole reinforce the look. Its insoles display a multicolor wizard gazing into a swoosh-filled orb, supported by matching graphics on tongue tags and a wavy-text backtab. With a design that balances playful fantasy and street-ready durability, the Wizard Dunks stand as one of Nike's most distinctive Holiday 2025 drops. They arrive alongside other standout themed pairs, including the Abominable Snowman edition and key kids exclusives, cementing the Dunk Low's role as a seasonal centerpiece in Nike's evolving storytelling.